Okay, so we found all the subdomains for tali.org. So we have
Yes.
tali.org. So yeah, we found all that. We found the technologies that he uses using this, right? Built with.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was
So
that software we used for Burp Suit? Right, we use Burp Suit now.
yeah, we use Burp Suite for our website.
I'll update later. Compare project. Okay, so now we have Burp Suit open. So we're gonna use a proxy to
Yeah.
basically run
First
that.
turn off your intercept whenever you need, then only turn on.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
We turn
okay.
this off, and then we go to our preferences, and we set the proxy
It's
to the
already open your preferences.
where. No, no, it's not.
Yeah.
Okay, proxy.
Proxy.
Use mail proxy. We enter the information that we get from here.
hmm
So 27, then we
It's
click.
already done. It's already entered.
Yeah,
Once
I'm
it's
turning it on.
already there.
It was off.
Okay. Yeah.
So now we're gonna capture. Let's see. Let's go to Firefox. Let's capture. Let's say, for example, uh, Naukri.com. Right. We'll do that.
hmm
We'll do that, for example, and then so with burp, we're gonna intercept. We'll do intercept on.
Yeah.
We're going here. And so we got that right here.
Yeah.
We intercepted it,
Uh-huh.
and then
You have to send it. You have
so
to right click on that.
send to intruder, send to repeater.
Send to intruder, send to repeater.
Yeah, send to intruder, send to repeater. So now that it's here,
hmm
we have the message right here that we're gonna get.
Yep.
So
Response.
yeah, that's basically it, right? No, something else.
Yeah. Proxy, you have to forward the request so that the Naukri.com will load up.
Yeah,
The,
yeah, yeah. Oh, we forwarded my bad. Whatever, same thing. Intercept is off, same thing, whatever. Yeah. And then
huh.
that goes off. That's fine.
Forward the request until you get the request. Forward it.
Was this? Is this one it? How do you tell which one it is? Which one's the request?
You'll find whatever you have typed, the hacker thing.
Okay, so it's not this one. It's not this one.
No,
It's not this one. It's Google Ads.
just drop everything. Just
Okay.
drop everything.
Okay.
Drop it, drop it. Drop everything until you see a blank screen.
Okay.
There are too many requests. Okay, so now turn off your intercept and go back to thinokri.com.
And then we type it and then turn it on.
Yeah, type it and
Turn it on, right?
yeah, turn on and say search now. So if you can see the query here, hacker.
Where? Oh, right
The
here.
first line
Right
is,
here.
yeah.
So now we
So
can forward this into
forward,
intruder.
intruder and repeater to
Or-
both. Forward to intruder and repeater, and turn the intercept off the intercept.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to your repeater, and you can replace it with some scripts.
So we type script, right, let's see, RIPT, and then we type
Alert.
what was it again?
Close the multi-go. It will take a lot of processes. Close multi-go.
Okay, so we write script, open bracket, close bracket, and then what comes after this?
Script alert, ALERT.
Alert dot.
No capitals.
Okay, okay, alert.
Okay. Open braces. Not that braces.
Curly
Curve.
braces?
Not curly braces. Curve. Curve braces.
Parentheses?
Yeah. So in that type some random numbers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So close the yeah. Now close the script tag. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, and now we will send this, right?
Send it. Access is denied because that script is not working.
Why isn't it working?
Because that website is not having cross-site scripting vulnerability.
Oh, okay. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So that website that you showed yesterday had it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. Got it.
So how about intruder?
So we go right here and then we
First
highlight.
clear everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear.
We have to select the position.
Yeah, we highlight this parameter right here and press add.
Add and
Payloads.
loads, and you have to add the payloads from your computer, or you can type it manually.
We'll add this one for that. And then what's the script that we had for to display the browser?
Document.url.
Document URL.
Alert, in alert, instead of 1, 2, 3, you have to keep document.url.
Okay. Then we start attack. And then it starts the attack.
If you keep document.cookies, you'll be getting cookies.
Okay. Okay. All right, cool. Got it.
Yeah.
Anything
So,
else? Right.
yeah, now SQL injection, right? SQL map.
What was that?
SQL map. Oh, we didn't do SQL map. We just stopped the
Stop.
process.
No, we just
Okay, we didn't do SQL map. Okay, we'll do it.
this
So
was the last place we stopped. Right here.
yeah, okay then. That's good. Okay, Vishal. So we'll give it to other person. Who's next? Sufyan?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, your voice is echoing. I'll make you presenter now.